Welcome back to CIEgroup.com. You join us over at ISE 2024 on the Akuvox stand with our very own Ashley Wilson. And right behind us, you see the latest S Series answering panels for door intercom. Now, Ashley, I guess first of all, what are we calling these things? Are we calling them answering panels, indoor door intercoms? There are so many different phrases for them. But I guess really, let's talk about what one of these is. And interestingly, I guess we have a standard handheld phone right next to these panels. What are these products actually doing and how have things moved on more recently?
Of course. So the indoor monitors or indoor panels are essentially what's answering the call. So, you know, you've got things like the app, you've got things like audio only, but also with the screens, you can answer and see the video as well.
So wherever we've got a camera on our door intercom, the ability to not just talk voice to voice with a visitor, we can also see who's at the door as well, and therefore having that great big screen. But there is more to it than just audio and video. There is a lot of integration. You can use it for other tools as well.
Yeah, absolutely. So as you go up in the range, you've got your basic Linux system, which is a simply answer, and you've got video. Whereas you go up in the range, you've then got Android's integration as well. So that means you can put things like Control 4, Sonos, Spotify, all the apps from Android onto the indoor monitor as well.
So now we can use it as our smart home interface. All of that home automation can be embedded into that one panel interface. So the new S Series on paper, they all look exactly the same pretty much on paper. You can see them behind us. There are different sizes. So if you can just explain the range, what are we looking at and what are the differences when we're making the right choice for our installation?
So we've got the S560, which is the audio-only handset. Then you've got the S562, which is your 7-inch basic Linux indoor monitor. Then you've got something like your S563, which is your Android 12 8-inch indoor monitor. And then finally, you've got your flagship S567. That's quad speakers, Wi-Fi 6, and Android 12 as well.
So some of the options is about size, some is about space availability, but also all of that integration. So the more that you want to use that interface for, that's where that choice of going towards the 567, where you have that Android capability, is where that's going to become useful.
Yeah, exactly that.
Plenty more information on Akuvox coming from Ashley and the rest of the CIE team coming your way soon from CIEgroup.com.